Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up multi-factor authentication or MFA here on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up multi-factor authentication or MFA in Salesforce involves a few key steps to enhance security by requiring users to provide the second form of verification. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to this step where this is very crucial. Okay, on the gear icon, click on the setup right here, and you would be forwarded to this interface, the setup. In the quick find on the upper left corner, type in identity verification. There you go. Click that. What will happen is you would be able to have the settings wherein you can enable multi-factor authentication or MFA, which is this part. Why? Because enabling MFA helps protect users' accounts by requiring a second verification step, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Now you have three options here. You can require multi-factor authentication MFA for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. You can also have the option to show all verification method registration options instead of starting with Salesforce authenticator. You also have the option to require identity verification using or during multi-factor authentication MFA registration. All right, so these are going to be all your options. Now, on the session security level policies, you can have all of these options: reports and dashboards, manage authorized providers, and all of these. Once you are happy with all of the settings here, okay, click on the save option. All right. Users need to register to a second factor like a mobile app or a security key to verify their identity. Now, this step ensures that users can complete the MFA process when they log in. But I'm not gonna do that right now because I don't have the verification, the Salesforce authenticators installed in my mobile yet. But if you do have, please click on these options. All right. Enabling MFA obviously is an essential step for improving security posture for your Salesforce environment, helping to protect against unauthorized access and potential data breaches. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.